Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm over here on my computer and I'm going to do another investment video. I'll give you an update on my Robinhood portfolio, and since it's April 1st, I'm going to show you my dividend payouts for the month of March. And I'm also going to talk to you about what is a dividend and some options that you may have. So first of all, my account is sitting at around $66,968. And here are the 7 dividend stocks that I invest into. These all actually pay monthly. So I have QYLD, RLYD, SDIV, AGNC, RLYD, Good, and SPHD. I also have my recurring investments turned on. So every week I buy around $125 of stock, which is around $500 a month. So on average, my portfolio yields me around $600-ish. Usually around 620 something. So what is a dividend? So it says on Investopedia.com that a dividend is a distribution of some company's earnings. So for example, like Home Depot, Walmart, or say Apple, they give profits to their shareholders basically. So you can see here, you can read the bottom, all the details. And so it's really nice because some of these companies, they pay monthly, which are my favorite type of dividends. And there's also ones that pay semi-annually, which is twice a year, or annually once a year, or even quarterly, which is the norm. So every 3 months they pay a dividend. All right, I'm on my Robinhood dividend payout history. Ignore the one at the very top there because that AGNC one is pending for April 12th, 2022. And so we're gonna scroll down a little bit further and we're going to look at the month of March. So as you can see here, I have one payment for $2.13, one for $1.32, one for $59.56, $314.58, $121, $124.18, $107.59, $295.89, and $54.72. So all these payments come out to be $961.18. The reason why it's so high actually is because if you didn't notice, QYLD and RLYD actually paid me twice this month, which is not really the norm, but it happens sometimes. I really enjoy investing into dividend stocks, especially monthly paying ones like these right here. And the benefit to these is you see the compound interest start to accrue and snowball. And you don't realize how fast these things grow until you set it and forget it. If you don't have a platform that you're using to buy and trade stocks or buy ETFs, then definitely check out the link down in the description below. It'll take you to Robinhood and we'll each get a free stock. So here I am on my spreadsheet that I created on the Numbers app on my Mac Air, and I am actually set to usually get around $620, like I said, each month. And so this is a whole breakdown of the pay per share, my shares that I have, and the different dividends. I have 7 of them. And this account, based on the allocation that I set up here, is yielding around 11%. And as you can see right here, I need to update this really quick. So for January, I made around $926. February, I made around $573, and so I need to update this. What did I say it was again? 961.18, I think. So update that, and there goes the new bar right there. Like I said before in previous videos, I use this Robinhood account for income purposes, not really so much for growth. I treat this almost like a savings account, but it gives me a lot better yield than leaving it in a bank. For example, I had an account at a bank that was yielding me only 0.5%, so not even 1%. And it was even in an account called a high interest money market account, and it wasn't yielding me any high interest at all. So I'd rather have my money invested into my own funds where I can yield more than 1%. So these funds I'm averaging around 10%. And so that's way more than the national average, instead of leaving all the money in the bank for the banks to make all the money. So that's just my 2 cents. One thing that's great about dividend investing is you have the option to do recurring investments or turn it off. So in this case here, I'm going to use AGNC as an example. I have a pending payment of $110. If I don't want this to get reinvested and I want to be able to use it myself for whatever purposes, I can click on this and hit Edit Reinvestment. That's going to take me right over here to the settings where it says Investing. And once you click on the Dividend Reinvestment, you can actually customize and turn off the DRIP, which is the dividend reinvestment feature. So in this case here, I would turn off AGNC and any other investments I want to turn off, and all these funds would end up going into my buying power, whichever ones that I turn off. So once I turn those off and AGNC pays me, it'll show up over here where it says buying power, and then I can use that to say buy another different type of stock, maybe Tesla or the same stock or even Amazon, or you can use it for say crypto or real estate, or even use it for groceries, your car note, rent, or mortgage or what have you. So just want to show you that quick little feature that I like to use on the Robinhood portfolio. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Comment below if you have any questions, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.